Today, we're going to build a rechargeable LED lamp using the charging circuit from a broken Bluetooth speaker. Many rechargeable electronic devices stop working over time. However, in many cases, the charging circuit inside them is still fully functional. Instead of throwing these devices away, we can reuse their charging section to create something useful. In this video, I'll show you how to turn the charging circuit from a broken mini Bluetooth speaker into a practical rechargeable LED lamp. So, let's get started. Here is the rechargeable Bluetooth speaker we'll be using today. Its Bluetooth section is completely damaged, but fortunately, the charging circuit is still working perfectly. That's the part we'll reuse for this project. Different rechargeable Bluetooth speakers come with different circuit board designs. The module I'm using has the charging section on one side and the Bluetooth section on the other. Now I'm removing the original charging port. For better convenience, I'll connect the input wires to a separate 5-pin micro USB female connector. To make the project easier, I've already removed all the unnecessary components from the board. Next, I'm identifying the positive and negative terminals and soldering wires to them. As soon as I connect a mobile phone charger, the red charging indicator lights up, confirming that the charging circuit is working properly. Now I'll check the input voltage with a multimeter. It reads about 4.88 volts. For this project, I'm using a recycled 3.7 volt lithium-ion battery taken from an old mobile phone. I simply connect it to the battery terminals of the charging module. After confirming that everything is working correctly, I'm carefully separating the charging section from the original circuit board using a precision blade. This step requires extra caution because even a small mistake could damage the charging circuit permanently. Now it's time to prepare the lamp housing. I'm using a completely broken rechargeable emergency light. First, I open the casing and remove all the old and damaged components to make room for the new charging circuit and battery. Next, I choose a suitable power switch. Since it will be mounted on the back cover of the lamp, I drill a hole of the appropriate size. Then I install the switch and secure it firmly with super glue. For the charging port, I'm using a wired 5-pin micro USB female connector. I prepare a suitable mounting position on the bottom of the lamp housing. After covering the empty opening with a thin plastic piece, I make a hole in the center and permanently fix the USB connector in place with adhesive. Now I solder the positive and negative wires to the LED module according to the circuit requirements and reinstall the LED cover. Then I reconnect the charging input wires to the charging board. Once all the wiring is complete, I test the charging circuit again, and everything is working perfectly. Next, I connect the negative wire of the LED board directly to the negative terminal of the battery. The positive wire is connected to the positive terminal through the power switch. Now it's time for the final test. As soon as I turn on the switch, the LED board lights up brightly. That means our homemade rechargeable LED lamp is working successfully. Finally, I secure the charging board inside the lamp using hot glue. Then I arrange all the wires and components neatly, close the housing, and complete the assembly. And that's how you can easily recycle the charging circuit from a broken Bluetooth speaker to build a fully functional rechargeable LED lamp. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and share it with your friends. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I'll be back with another exciting DIY project in the next video. Until then, take care and stay safe.